Okay, Dundalk on the evening, very thin. Oh, it's started to happen. As soon as I've clicked record. So managed to get on a little bit there. It's alright, there's going to be some life left in this, I reckon. So Dundalk in the evening, very thin, very thin. 6:15. Just having a quick look at this race. Favourite looks weak, considering the price looks really quite weak. It's had some money matched down below, around about the 1.8, 1.81. Not overly concerned about this right now. Can be quite violent and a little bit ferocious, these markets of an evening. So I don't want to get on for a huge stake. Well, I was almost tempted to lay it for a little bit more there. Just trying to keep an eye on some big stakes running through the market. Let's get a live video going if we can. It's a bit early, I reckon. Yeah, just want to watch out for some big stakes coming in the market at this price to see if it's truly supported. If it's not, then we'll see about letting it run when it starts to drift. I say when, because I'm fairly confident. Obviously, if we want this to drift, it'd be good if these had a bit of support behind them as well, which they haven't really got at the moment. The whole market's quite weak, so don't want to hold my breath, like I said. If I can get some more laid up down near the 181 mark, I'll be happier. I don't think it's going to happen. Look at that, big lay. Almost teasing me into adding to it. I'm going to wait. Here we go. How are we cooking on gas? Come on. So a little bit of support's arrived for the second and third. Now I'm on the right side of it. Want to scale out a little bit. I'd like it to move a couple more ticks. Maybe I'm being greedy. One more stake out, so we went in for 3 200 stakes at various points. So it's going to bounce back now quite violently. I'm going to lay it at the bottom at 1.9. It's going to go back out again, hopefully. Be surprised if it comes careering in now. No, it's giving me that little pointer. Speak too soon. It's always going to happen when I'm recording, isn't it? Longer term view on the swing trading at Dundalk now. It's only 200 grand matched in this market, which is pretty poor for a race.
2 minutes. Scalp.
But we'll see. It's going to disappear in a minute. I'm going to fly out a bit more, yeah. So we take that 200 we put in at 1.9 out of 1.95. And I think I'll probably be pushing my luck up at 202 with only a minute and a half to go, supposed. I'm just going to see about getting out around about now. The best price I can get. No, I'm not going to get that. I might have to take 195. Sod's law. Just bouncing up and down now. Like I say, it's probably not inclined to carry on drifting as hard because it's close to post. Don't think you can grumble too much though. Not a bad little move to catch. Don't generally like Dundalk, and later on this evening I'll probably just leave it alone completely because the liquidity will be even worse. So we caught a few different trades there for a little bit of a swing out. Tempted just to try and take a few little scouts through now and smaller stakes on this second and third. Literally not taking too much of an opinion which way the price is really going. Just trying to make sure I get filled around the price. That'll do. I'm happy enough for that. 27 quid. So it's a bit of a shame it started to move before I recorded, but you can't choose when these things happen. Sorry, that's just my reminders to stop trading. And they're all in the stalls now pretty much. So So yeah, sorry, it's a little bit of a shame it started to drift so quickly like that, but can't choose when it happens when I'm recording, unfortunately. But it was pretty obvious. Very weak short price favourite in the Dundalk race. Wouldn't really use stakes much more than that. Just because if it does turn against you, it can get quite aggressive. But you've got to have faith against it when it turns against you. Let it go in the red like we did at the beginning there. Probably didn't get the best price. Probably panicked, to be honest, trying to make sure that I got on because I was recording. But yeah, you got to let it go against you a little bit sometimes. These things will happen. Little swing trade.